Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 on Xbox One. This beloved zombie survival game, originally launched for the Xbox 360, is fully compatible with your newer console. Thanks to backward compatibility, you can easily experience its thrilling cooperative gameplay. It's a fantastic way to revisit a classic or discover it for the first time, offering hours of intense, zombie-slaying action. To get started, you have a couple of options. If you still own your original Xbox 360 game disc, simply insert it into your Xbox One. The console will recognize it and begin the installation process. Alternatively, you can purchase a digital copy directly from the Xbox Store. Just make sure your console is connected to the internet for a smooth download and any required updates. Once you've acquired the game, installation is straightforward. If using a disc, simply insert it, and your Xbox One will automatically begin installing the game data. For digital purchases, the download will commence immediately. After installation, the game will be ready to launch from your library. Ensure your Xbox One controller is connected and charged for the best possible experience. Now you're ready to dive into the action. From the main menu, you can start a new campaign, join a quick match, or team up with up to 3 friends for intense cooperative multiplayer. Select one of the 4 distinct survivor characters, each with their own personality. Prepare to face relentless hordes of infected and formidable special infected in a thrilling fight for survival.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.